Hi everybody! Ooh, there's like a little plant on my face. Welcome back! My name's Izzy, this is Jamba, and this week's video, we're gonna go through what I eat in a week. As usual, the video will be very chaotic, and just to put a disclaimer there, I am not a cook. I do not associate myself as a cook. I cook to survive. I'm a boil and fry kind of girl. I haven't cooked for at least 6 months. In my bachelor's, I used to cook all the time. I would film myself cooking, write blogs about it, and I made such amazing food. As I grew older, however, I had less time to spare. So it became a very stressful ordeal to figure out what to cook. How fast can I cook it? I needed it done quick. I used to eat a lot of pasta. I was that friend that if there was a potluck, I would bring desserts. Or if you're my close friend, I would make you chikute, because you know it's like the easiest thing you do. You just get the packet, like bakute, put it in the water, drop everything inside, and bam, it's done. So this week, I want to experiment on different types of cooking, especially what I've been eating during quarantine. Cooking is one of those skills that people pick up in during quarantine. Am I right? This is not a cooking tutorial. This is more like a demonstration of what I've been trying to cook. It may not be as aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetic? I am not a food guru. I do not have a food blog. Anyways, I just hope that you'll be entertained and maybe be like, you know what? She tried her best. She really did. I am a very simple girl. I can eat broccoli every day. Give me some soup, give me some rice. 我是饭桶. But if you can cook and you're like a spicy little chef, hit me up because I love taste testing. Let's go. This is my kitchen. I share it with like 2 other girls currently. We have a gas stove and it's been quite easy to use. Here are the cooking utensils. Here's my fridge. Here's what's inside my fridge. Dish rack.
Hello everybody, welcome to the live commentary as I comment throughout what I eat in this week. Today for lunch we have salmon. I haven't cooked salmon in so long. I wasn't allowed to eat it in Penang because my family doesn't really eat fish, but I was so happy to finally get my salmon, so I decided to cook some salmon and some broccoli. Woohoo! And while that was cooking, I decided to... Oh, no, wait, we're done. Okay. Oh yeah, so I have this new steamer and so I decided to try it out, and so I decided to steam my salmon, which is something I never do because last time I tried to, fry the salmon and it didn't end up that pretty, so we're just gonna avoid that. I think I didn't drain the oil. It's quite oily as you can see there. But get those greens, get those fish. So after lunch, I think around like 3 or 4 p.m. I'm just making this up, lol. I got a bit hungry, so I decided to use my steamer to cook some instant noodles. This is Shin Ramen, the best instant noodles there is out there. Oh, okay, we jumped. I think this is dinner time. Because it's summer in the UK now, it is super hot, so this should have been already like 7 or 8 p.m. I know, it's still bright outside. But guys, do you listen to that ASMR? Oh my goodness, that sound, I didn't even realize when I filmed it. Yeah, bubble. Let's get a bubble bath. Yes, bubble. Oh yeah, I like to use a chopstick. This is when I spelled like half of it, so we'll just ignore that. Hee. But what is pasta without some more greens? And I don't eat a lot of vegetables, but I do love my broccoli and spinach and mushrooms apparently. So wash your mushrooms, chop it all up, put it in your steamer. I love the steamer. This steamer saves my life. I can cook everything inside. Add a bit of garlic, salt, black pepper, mixed herbs, whatever. Use a chopstick, put in your pasta inside, give it a quick stir. Oh my gosh, cheese. Yes, I miss cheese. Cheese is so expensive in Malaysia, so I'm so happy that I managed to get them here. And let's try it out. Hew. Wow. Okay. That is actually pretty good. Wow. I'm impressed. Ooh, that cheese. Yes, get in there. Alright, we're on Tuesday, and because fish doesn't last long, you gotta cook the pair of that salmon that came with the first one. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm steaming it and then I'm adding some avocado. Why am I Why am I adding avocado? I don't know. I miss avocado though too because, again, very expensive in Malaysia. And so I bought a lot. Oh, I remember now. I'm making a salad. Oh my gosh, guys. This salad is amazing. It's like poke bowl, but not. I don't know if that makes sense. But basically, I had made this salmon and broccoli and avocado. Then I put like a whole bunch of pepper on it. I think it's going to show in the next clip. 3, 2, 1. Show the pepper. No, JK, no pepper. But look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah, get that different camera angles. Guys, this was amazing. Amazing. There's the pepper clip. There we go. And for my dinner, afternoon, I think this is afternoon. Probably a salmon was like a starter course, you know? I decided to cook. What am I cooking? I'm boiling vegetables. Okay. I can't remember, guys. I filmed this like a long time ago, but I think I am cooking soup. Yes, let's put some spinach in there. Spinach is good for the soul. Yep, let's just do that. Oh, noodles, bihun. Yeah, guys, this is so much healthier than instant noodles, and it's so much quicker. So you basically buy a packet of bihun, and then you make your own soup, and then you just plop it in, and it's so good. It's very refreshing to the soul, you know? You're just... Ting tang, is that what it's called? Yeah, get that. I know it might not look as appetizing, but I promise you, it was good. Pasta again. My gosh, I think the reason why I cooked so much pasta was because I didn't eat it a lot in Malaysia. I only ate Asian food, and probably the tomato sauce. I was scared it would go off, so I decided to cook some more pasta in my steamer, which is not something you usually do. I think the reason why I cooked it in my steamer was because I didn't want to go outside and share the kitchen while I was isolating, but lol, look at me here. I am using the kitchen. This is me cooking another shin ramen. I think this is at night because I have the lights on, and it should probably be midnight because ramen is the best at midnight. Add your veggies so that it's not that MSG unhealthy, but it is still unhealthy anyway, so make sure you don't eat too much of it, guys. I'm looking at you. Yep. Pour it into the bowl 50% of the time. No, wait, 70% of the time I usually spill it. But this time I didn't. Wow, look at that. Salmon, another one. Guys, I only eat salmon. Salmon. But why don't I have veggies here? No, don't do that. Why are you putting the salt like that? Stop. You're gonna spill it too much. Oh my, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Lord have mercy. And you better wash your plates. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Different kind of pasta this time. We have spaghetti. We gotta, change it up a bit. And here I am chopping some onions, garlic. I meant garlic. I love garlic, guys. Garlic is an essential part of my life. Wow. This live commentary is so hard to... I keep forgetting to breathe. Okay, put some olive oil. That's a bit too much of olive oil. Bacon? Whoa, when did I buy bacon? Anyways, fry your bacon and your mushrooms. Drain your pasta. And then you can put your spaghetti inside. Wow, put some salt a little. Some people put like salt in the water which they boil their pasta in, which is great. Like, I applaud you for doing that, but I like doing it after. Just cause, I got how much salt actually goes into my meal, if that makes sense. Alright, next up, what do we have? Cheese, yes, add more cheese. Oh, yes, sorry, we're still on the pasta dish. So I'm doing it like lasagna, I'm layering it, so I put cheese like each layer, but this didn't really work because oh man overboard. Okay, yeah, so I wanted to layer cheese over cheese, but then I didn't cut it and the spaghetti just overflowed. Oh my gosh, my mom's gonna kill me. That's an insane amount of spaghetti. Okay, put some cheese on it, put my bacon, put my mushroom. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys, I really should like take after slow shots of each meal, but I don't. I really do apologize for that. This is my chicken stock. Why didn't I mix that chicken stock? Put some water in it. Oh, soup! I'm making soup. Oh, guys, I love this soup. Like, it's so easy. I just boil it, and then after that, you cook some rice, and then it's done. This is my favorite meal, and it only costs us like £2 for an entire week. You can literally survive on this for an entire week. Lots of carbs though, now that I'm realizing. Also, if you run out of rice, ta-da! You have your bihun, which you should have bought in bulk. Because that's really cheap, and yeah, stick it in there. Stick it. Die. Oops, sorry. Was that inappropriate? Okay, well, anyways, is that best dress I hear in the background? Yes, girl, yes it is. Sometimes, if you're way too hungry at night, you can order a doner kebab. Delivery, this was my only delivery in the entire week. I totally regretted it because I ordered it at midnight. Okay, we are on Friday. This is when I cooked curry. Woohoo! I know it looks a bit wonky right now. It's because it was very diluted, and so I decided to have curry meat instead of curry rice, just because I didn't add the coconut powder, coconut milk. Yeah, that's the word. And like, it's totally diluted. It's way too watery, so that is something that you should not do. Oh my gosh, guys! Now this is the dreaded thing. Okay, so I wanted to. Oh, don't do that. Use a wooden spoon. Okay, so I wanted to make a grilled cheese sandwich. You know, I was craving it. I saw it on Netflix. I don't know why. When I see like food during shows, and like somebody's eating a grilled cheese sandwich, I just want it. Same with like anime food or like Korean drama food. But anyways, I tried making this grilled cheese sandwich, and as you can see, it's not working out very well. I don't know. I don't understand. I put a lot of butter. I tried frying it, and it stuck to the bottom of my pan. Oh my gosh, look at that. What is that? Oh my gosh, cover it. Stop. Go away. Oh my Lord, have mercy. I don't think I finished eating. Oh, this was so nice. Okay, so Friday night, like, let's pretend I'm not quarantined anymore, okay? So my flatmates and I decided to make a bao. So interesting thing. Oh wait, this is cool. Okay, so she's like cutting the onions, right? Cut. Oh no, I'm crying. Okay, so then I stepped in, but then I cried too, and then she stepped in. Woohoo! Anyways, both of my flatmates are like white and a half, like one's half and one's fully white, but they make better Asian food than me, and I was shook. They're mostly vegetarian, and then so I didn't know vegetables could taste this good, because usually I like having my meat, but they made this amazing bao from scratch, like guys, with their own ingredients and everything, and I was shook because like I didn't know how to make bao, and this was a whole new experience. In this scene, as we're making this dumpling thing, I felt like Crazy Rich Asians with my future mother-in-law, but this is clearly not the case.
Baby dumplings.
Yeah, but oh my gosh, it was so wholesome, and we made bao together, and it was really fun, and we made a lot to last the next day. And it was really nice because I introduced my flatmates to Korean drama. They haven't watched a lot before, and they are obsessed. May I repeat, they are obsessed with Gong Yu from Goblin. They love him. They've been watching him after we finished Goblin. We all cried. It was bliss.
Wow!
Here we go. Look at our pile of dumplings. You know what? This was when we couldn't find a steamer cap, and so we just held it out like that. Well, Natalia did, the housemate currently holding it up. MVP! Saturday. We're almost done, guys. Okay, so Saturday for lunch, we all shared risotto, which was nice. I don't know what to comment on that, so we'll just say it's very nice. This is vegan chicken. Yeah. Tasted good as well. Tasted normal. Where are we going? Why is this? Welcome to my crib, guys. Hello. This is where I live. And that's where we're eating. Balcony. All right. This is some garlic. Fry some garlic. Hello garlic. Fry some broccoli. Am I making stir fry? I can't remember. Mushrooms. Yeah, we've seen you for the past 8 minutes. Yes, spinach. Rice. Yeah, fried rice, guys. This is my fried rice. It is actually very, very delicious. I don't think I have a finished clip, so I'm very sorry for that. But fry your rice, guys, if they're left overnight. Or you can make sushi. Yes, so my flatmates here are making some nice avocado carrot sushi. Expert rollers. Very, very well done. my gosh, I want sushi now. Guys. And we come to the last day of the week, Sunday. Guys, let me just tell you. Okay, let's appreciate the ASMR for a second. Okay, this chicken, yes, put some black pepper on it. I was watching a BuzzFeed video and I stumbled upon this recipe, and it's basically chicken breast with cheese, melted cheese in it. And oh my gosh, guys, this is legendary. I never used to marinate my chicken because I was a health freak. I would just boil them and eat it with my broccoli and egg. But guys, now that I've added like spices and like cheese, my gosh, it's so beautiful. It was so good. This was an experiment, and I was so excited of how it turned out that I went the next day and bought some more chicken. And so how you do it is you slice the breast open, you season it with, you know, your spices, put the cheese inside, and then you put it on a plate, butter it up, and then you just turn it on very low heat, and it does the cooking for you. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? I just gulped. Oh my. Yes. Okay. Whew. Wow. That's beautiful. Look at that cheese poking out, hide and seek. Hello, I see you. Get back in there. You're getting in my tummy. Yep, but it's very unhealthy to eat just alone, so you gotta balance it out with some steamed broccoli. Guys, that like steamer has saved my life, but first let me just explain this avocado. I didn't know if it had gone off or it right, but anyways, avocado did not work in this situation, so I was very, very sad. But anyways, this is my chicken salad. Hello, can we just appreciate? Oh, I know I said that this wouldn't be an aesthetic video, but guys, this is such an aesthetic look. Guys, it looks so great, doesn't it? Add some soup, have your salad. Oh. Sometimes when you're very hungry and you're rushing between classes, it's really nice to make your own wrap, you know, or panini. I don't know what I'm making. It's a wrap. It's a hot wrap. I am just, you know, sticking it on the pan. Wow, and there you have it. You have your panini wrap. Very nice. What are you doing? Why am I cutting it on a plate? Stop! Oh my. Am I cutting it? Oh my. Okay. That's alright. I didn't break the plate. Yeah, what is that? Get that off. Alright, good job.
Yes, that's what I have basically been cooking for the past week. Sorry if it's not what you expected. I'm not a very good cook. I'm an adequate one. And I'm learning new things every day. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below what other videos you want me to do. I'll see you next time then. Do you think that was okay? Do you think they'll like it? Oh my gosh, what if nobody wants to marry me anymore because I can't cook? Yeah, I'll just keep trying. Ooh, I really want to try kimchi soup. I mean, yes, but it's tasty. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Log out.